Wait, what? Look at this. Someone just made $29.90, $8.34, $8.06, $2, $32, $22, $90, $25, $10, $15, $20. What is going on? What is this website? You end up learning how to earn up to $8 every 2 minutes if you watch this video all the way until the end. And I gotta warn you from the start, if you actually skip a step from the video, first you won't know the website name is, and also you'll miss something important and some strategies that some people use. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, and me and my team, I have 2 video editors, we upload over 3 videos every single day. Yeah, I know it's a lot, but everyone else keeps doing 1 a day or 1 a week. We try to do 3 or more per day. Just take over the make money online niche, because there's a lot of BS in the niche. We don't want to make 20-30 minute videos and waste your time just for the ad revenue. We want to bring you value. So subscribe if you're new to learn about all the new make money online sites first. And before we start, make sure you like this video, and you might also get an alien pet from Area 51, who knows? And I can shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool down below, or your Instagram username, YouTube account, and just take it. I'll put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. So there's so much payment proof. If we just go on the payment proof page of this website, you can see there's 3,000 pages with payments like this. So like each page has like 20, like 30 or more payments, so that's thousands, maybe 100,000 plus payments you can actually see as payment proof. And they have a lot of offers, but the good thing about this website, and this is the website URL, $clicks, is there's a quick sign up, and they have a mobile app. So you can literally make money from your phone. You don't even need a computer. You can do it in your bed while you're waiting for someone at the bus stop, maybe waiting in a line or something. It says that they are the #1 paid survey community, and they go mobile friendly platform to track your progress and complete offers. You can even withdraw, look at that, instant PayPal max $10 account. So you can get $10 instantly withdrawn. Refer their members and earn from their activity for life. So you can refer your friends and make some passive income while you're at it. There's hundreds of new surveys added daily. There's always something to do. And you can see you're basically getting rewarded for completing surveys. So your friends probably told you that your opinion doesn't matter. Well, no, that's not true, because you're getting paid for your opinion. You just share your opinion and the rewards keep coming in. And they have some stats here. They have over 2,000 members, 2.5k members, over 1 million rewards claimed, 500,000 total gift card sent, and 25 course number of offer walls. So this is the website, $clicks. You can find it probably in the first link in the description and in the first comment below the video. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe, and remember that the video that gives a doctorate. By the end of this video, make sure you check this video out. See you next one. Bye.